Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn a lesson, a great lesson. The lesson name is The Great Sacrifice. Let's start. One night, the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam had a dream. He was ordered by Lord to sacrifice his son. Allah talks to the prophets, but he does not talk as we talk. When he wants prophets to do something, he shows it to them in a dream. A dream is like an order from Allah. The next day, the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam called Ismail alayhi salam. He said, Ismail alayhi salam, I had a dream last night. Allah wants me to sacrifice you. Ismail alayhi salam was not afraid. He loved Allah very much. He also knew Allah was good. Allah never does anything to harm good people. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam left Makkah. They went to the valley of Mina. This was the place the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam saw in his dream. Ismail alayhi salam lay down on the ground. He closed his eyes. His father stood next to him. He picked up the knife. He was ready to obey Allah by sacrificing his son. At this moment, the angel Jibreel alayhi salam appeared. Allah sent the angel Jibreel alayhi salam with a ram to be sacrificed instead. In this way, the little Ismail alayhi salam was safe. Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam cried with joy. They thanked Allah, and then the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam sacrificed the ram. Allah loves people who listen to Him. He loves people who trust in Him. He cares for them. Allah was so pleased with the readiness of the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice his beloved son that he commanded the believers to observe this day as Eid al-Azha, or the feast of sacrifice. Thank you very much.